Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So we're going to be using my Square Extra Short Soft Gel full nail covers. As always, these are available for purchase in my Etsy shop, and I'll be sure to have all the links down below. You guys love these full nail covers and I love them as well. They are literally the perfect length. They're just the perfect size square nails to me, and if you like your nails super duper short, you can always file them down. So additionally, we're going to be using my handy dandy solid nail tip glue gel. You guys know the drill. It's super easy to use this product, and I would describe it as like a putty texture. But all you want to do is go in with a dime size, not even, a pea sized amount. You get the hang of it, what sizing you need for each full nail cover. But if you do happen to get a little bit of excess around your cuticles or around the sides of your nails, you can just go in with your other hand like I'm doing here and remove it before curing. It's really important to remove fully before curing, just because you just want to eliminate the shaping time, and it's just going to be so much harder to shape if you cure instead of just removing it beforehand. Also, just another tip, it's very important to always do your thumb separately. You can do all 4 fingers at once, but you always want to do your thumb and cure your thumb separately. Alright, so here's what the nails are looking like. Now we're going to go in and do some shaping. Like I said before, full gel nail covers really do all the shaping for you, so this part of the process is very minimal. But as you can see, I'm just going in and really making sure that my tops of my nails are perfectly square. I like a really square look, but if you like rounded edges, you can just play around with it and do whatever you prefer. After we finish filing, we're now going to go ahead and dust off all of that dust. At this point, if you fully prepped your nails, you can go in and wash them. Before our design today, it's really simple and it's super minimal. You guys know that's like my theme here, but I'm going in with my tried and true Nails Kat Kat rubber nail polish, and I absolutely love this stuff. I'm literally going to go to her site and order so many more colors because I love her gel polishes. They're amazing. So you can use these as just a regular gel polish, or you can use them as a builder base coat. So they're very versatile, super thick, super high quality. Definitely recommend giving them a try. But I'm just going to go in and paint my nails. I went in with this as if it were a regular gel polish, and I did 2 coats. So as you can see here, just another tip I wanted to mention, you always want to make sure between each layer of your gel polish and your top coat that you're swiping the sides of your nails, and that's mainly because you want to keep the sides of your nails from getting bulky. So as I said earlier, we're doing a super minimal design. I'm going in with this silver polish. This one is by Beetles. This nail art palette is by Shein, but I'm just going in with a nail dotter tool and just doing a dot at the top in the center of each nail. It was just a random, I don't know, I was just like, oh, this might be cute. You can absolutely go in with a rhinestone, which would be even cuter. Now that I'm thinking about it, I'll probably even do that, but I'm just doing a very basic, easy, minimal design. So another tried and true, I'm using the Modelones top coat. This is my absolute favorite. This is their general top coat and not their no wipe top coat. And lastly, cuticle oil. This is available for purchase in my Etsy shop, but it's currently sold out. But here's the final look. It's a very simple, very cute design. And if you guys enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will be sure to catch you in my next video. Bye!
You